Hi everyone. Today I'll be making horseradish deviled eggs. What all goes into the horseradish deviled eggs? 6 large eggs, hard-boiled and peeled, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 to 2 tablespoons prepared horseradish, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, paprika for garnish, fresh chives or dill for garnish if desired. So let's begin. So take your peeled eggs, slice them in half lengthwise, put the yolk in the bowl and the whites on the platter. Take your egg yolks and smush them with a fork. Easier to do this first before you try mixing everything else with it. For anybody that watches my channel knows that Dave likes just the regular deviled eggs, the mayonnaise and mustard. So I am on a mission to find some that he likes just as well. And it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun seeing him taste test them as well. Then add your 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, the 1 to 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish. I have 2 tablespoons because I like horseradish. The 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, the 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, and mix that until smooth. Take your egg mixture and spoon or pipe them into the egg whites. Be generous with the filling. I'm so generous that it's coming out of the egg white. This is a little bit runnier than I would expect it to be. They'll probably set up in the refrigerator. All right, so there we have it. Then sprinkle it with a little bit of paprika for garnish. And if desired, garnish it with chives or dill. I have chives. Yep. Some of those look pretty sad because they're falling out. We can clean them up before we serve them, or we can leave them messy. So we'll take a lid, cover them up, put them in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. So here are the horseradish deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is potato salad and a cheeseburger. Let's see what Dave thinks.
More trick eggs.
More trick eggs.
Well, it feels like there's some spicy, hot sneaking in there a little bit, but it's not bad.
It's horseradish deviled eggs.
Mm.
So that would be the sneaky heat.
They're not too bad. Not super hot. I still prefer regular deviled eggs, but these are not bad. Really not.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.